Welcome to our new video series on how to register and trade on Binance. In this video, I will be telling you how to register and verify your account on Binance, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. To get Binance on your Android, go to the Google Play Store and download the app. Just as you install any other app, you will see that there will be written welcome to Binance. Now you have to select your country. Then go to the homepage of the Binance app. You can navigate that through the top left section of the app and deselect the Binance Lite option. After that, click on Login, Register. You will be able to see two options: Create Personal Account or Create Entity Account. Choose Create Personal Account. Enter your email and choose a strong password and one that you will remember as well. Click on Next. A code will be sent to you on your email. Copy that code on the email verification section, then click on Submit. Now, you will be asked to do mobile phone verification. Type your mobile number and click on Next. Then put the SMS code you have received. Now you have to verify your identity. Click on Verify Now. You will have to select your country and provide your first name, last name, middle name, and date of birth. Put your details in it. Continue to the next page and enter your residential address, postal code, and city. The next page will give you two options to verify your identity, either an ID card or a passport. In my case, I will select my ID card and then click on Continue. The app will provide you guidelines on how to upload an identity picture properly. It should not be blurred, should be centered, and the background should be uniform. Take some nice and clear pictures of the front and back side of your ID document and upload both the photos. You might be thinking this app really requires a lot of verification, but this is for your security purposes only. Now we have to upload a picture of our face and click on Continue. Binance will ask you to do a facial verification in which you have to keep the camera still on your face for live verification. Just in case this verification fails, you do not need to immediately try again. Just go back to the home page, click on the profile icon, and on the top right you will see under Review. The verification request has been sent, and just check after 24 to 48 hours to see if the verification has been completed or not. I know this can be a boring and lengthy process, but the good news is the verification is usually completed within one attempt. In case your verification is unsuccessful for any reason, just go through the process again and your verification will be completed. Thank you for staying with us throughout the process. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Ring the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any of our crypto updates.